What is the one word for inferior in number or size or amount? The correct answer is minor. What is the one word for difficult to use or handle because of size or weight? The correct answer is unwieldy. What is the one word for incapable of or resistant to bending? The correct answer is rigid. What is the one word for cause to feel confident? The correct answer is reassure. What is the one word for warn or arouse to a sense of danger? The correct answer is alert. What is the one word for elevation above sea level or above the Earth's surface? The correct answer is altitude. What is the one word for activity characterized by good humor? The correct answer is jest. What is the one word for area relatively far from the center, as of a city or town? The correct answer is outskirts. What is the one word for move ahead, travel onward in time or space? The correct answer is proceed. What is the one word for direct carefully and safely? The correct answer is navigate. What is the one word for give entirely to a specific person, activity, or cause? The correct answer is dedicate. What is the one word for give something useful or necessary to? The correct answer is provide. What is the one word for rise rapidly? The correct answer is soar. What is the one word for harass with persistent criticism or carping? The correct answer is taunt. What is the one word for reject or overturn a decision or an argument? The correct answer is overthrow. What is the one word for disagreeable to the senses? The correct answer is harsh. What is the one word for intense feelings of suffering, acute mental or physical pain? The correct answer is agony. What is the one word for the place designated as the end, as of a race or journey? The correct answer is destination. What is the one word for characteristic of an enemy or one eager to fight? The correct answer is aggressive. What is the one word for have room for hold without crowding? The correct answer is accommodate.